What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey F'n Pipes. It's Friday. Love me Fridays. Love me Fridays. It's Friday, and I need to clean out the truck. Damn it. Love me Fridays, and oh man, there's so much stuff in here. Well, not gonna get done by itself, is it? Much better. Must be Derek wrapping the droplet like that. Alright, let's take out the snake. Don't even ask why I have a water closet auger in my truck. Don't even ask, folks. Let me put this in the front. All right. We got an install today, so I got my flaring tool in my bender. And ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, every Thursday, a very generous YouTube subscriber donates $50, actually $54. So if you want a free poster, because you can't afford it, you cheap ass, you don't have $42.50, you can win yourself, score yourself, number 84 of 150. Because every Thursday, this kind and generous gentleman PayPals a donation of $54 so I can send the posters to someone. So to all you cheap asses out there who haven't donated or you haven't donated again, email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. The first person to email me that you want a free poster that someone else paid for because you're fucking cheap, well, I'll email you back and I'll send you a poster. Capiche? Capiche. It's Friday. I love me Fridays. Derek, you love me Fridays? Yeah. A young HVAC goat. Daniel with DC HVAC. Also another YouTube channel. 10,000 subscribers yet? No. Okay, because you don't post. If you posted, maybe YouTube would show you some love. You love Fridays? Fucking so like, you're like, where's St. Peter? Oh. Janine, you love me Fridays? Russell, you love me Fridays? We love Fridays. Everyone loves Fridays. And today, let's guess. The closest without going over is actually going to win another poster. What time did Russell show up today for his first day of work? Now, in case you didn't realize, yesterday he showed up for his 7 o'clock a.m. interview. Russell, what time? 5:45. Gotta love it. So, yes, the closest without going over what time Russell showed up to his first day of work today, it wins another poster. And then, matter of fact, I should give Russell a poster too. But he's wearing a nice, brand new Pipe Doctor shirt. And as soon as he passes probation period, he's going to get his name on his shirts. Good stuff. Let's everyone give Russell an attaboy for being here on time yet again. And let's wish him the best of luck here. I think he'll win. I'm a little disappointed. At the digital marketing company that I hired in Palm Beach, Florida. I just recorded episode number 4 on the Mikey Pipes Palm Beach YouTube channel. It's not live yet, but check it out. But yesterday, there's Daniel. Yesterday, I go on yet another service call where you were the last person there from this company, and something was lacking that you didn't do during that previous service call. Want to take a guess what it is? And this is not the first time I've seen it. This is the second time in a week I've seen it. Sticker? Nope, you got a sticker on there.
Moisture analysis?
Nope, you did that.
Valve tags.
What the fuck, Daniel? The valve tags. that you can get at Footbridge Media Printing. Link in the description. Actually, no. Google's your friend. Footbridge Media Printing. No valve tags. Do you not have valve tags in your truck?
No, I have no tags.
Yeah. You know what the five most important valves are in every home? Most homes?
Main water, gas for boiler, water for boiler, gas for water heater, water for water heater.
Correct! And all the occupants of the property should know where they are. Because you'll change an emergency into a urgency. Thanks for watching. So he's a good sport.
Who was it?
It was the video that I posted on the WhatsApp group chat that'll probably be live today or maybe over the weekend or maybe next week. The water heater, the guy on a dead-end block in Hewlett. His first name is Ira. Very nice guy. He was concerned about his relief valve with no drip leg corroding because it was slightly discharging. Yeah. You were there last year. They had a gas pressure issue where National Grid needed to fix the gas pressure because you only had like 2 inches of water column going to the boiler and all the piping is sized correctly. And the gas valve was bad in his water heater, on his boiler as well. A Burnham SIN 4 or 5 gas-fired steam boiler with a Bradford White 50-gallon gas-fired water heater.
At a dead end block.
Last house, right-hand side, dead-end block, right around the corner from here. Be well, guys. Smash that thumbs up button.